Hello, and thanks for joining me today on this Envision tutorial for Goodwill of Southeast Wisconsin. First thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to want to open up our preferred internet browser. I have Google Chrome open here, and you're going to want to enter in the URL here, envision.moodmedia.com/v6. Once you enter this URL, you will get brought to your login screen here, and you can go ahead and enter in your unique password. When you log in, you will get brought directly to the Goodwill of Southeast Wisconsin's workgroup. And you see right here the four main applications: Envision Advanced, Monitoring, Statistics, and My Locations. The main area we're going to be focusing on today is Envision Advanced. And here is Envision Advanced main user interface. You'll see here a media library, a properties panel, a design library, a playlist editor, a channel library, and finally a channel editor. To be able to bring content into Envision Advanced, you can simply go to your media library. You can think of this as your storage locker or perhaps a media filing system. And you're going to just want to add your video and picture assets to this media library. And the way to do this is by going to the plus button here to add new media and then going to upload a media. From here I'm going to select these two MP4 files to begin uploading into Envision. Envision does accept MP4 files and .mov files for video content, and it also accepts JPEGs and PNG files for static imagery. I'm just going to select this first video and then hold down the Shift key to select the second video. Envision will begin encoding this video, and then the video will be placed into your media library. This video will live in your media library until you decide to delete it by using this Delete Selected Item button. This media library can be accessed through any computer, theoretically throughout the world, to manage content. You'll notice when I hover over a piece of content that there's information that is displayed over here in this properties panel. If you notice here, there's a film strip icon showing that this is a video file. And when you scroll down, you will actually see the size of the video file and the duration of the video. As you can see, this file is 1920 by 1080, which is the preferred pixel dimension for high resolution video files. If you're satisfied with this video and you would like to have this video added to any of your stores, the way you would do that is you would go down to this main design library and you need to decide what design this video is going to go in. As you can see here, Goodwill of Southeast Wisconsin has four separate channels broken out here: Retail Illinois, Retail Wisconsin, Workforce Illinois, and Workforce Wisconsin. As you can see above in this design library, there are actually four separate designs that are all corresponding with the four separate channels here. To be able to add content to these designs, you can hover over the design and then move over here to the right where you can see the arrow to show the design editor. Once you click that, this is giving you the ability to toggle back and forth between the two zones that are going to be displaying on your screen. What these are these are both independent areas of the screen that will have their own playlist within them. Notice when you hover over one of the zones and look in the playlist editor, you can see the contents of that zone. When you select the second bottom zone, you can see that there are weather templates that are inserted under here. In this case, I want to add this video to this main zone, so I will grab that video, drag it, click it, and then drag it to whatever position I would like. In this case, I'm going to drag it to the first position. Now, if I would like to add the second video, but maybe it not necessarily be in the first position, you have the ability to click and drag the video and place it in any position that you would like within the playlist. Once you are satisfied with the layout of this zone, you can simply click the 3 vertical dots here to view the design library again. And this will bring you back to your main 4 designs that you have here. As you can see, I have the Retail Illinois channel highlighted below. And you can see over here to the right that the Illinois Retail design lives in the Retail Illinois channel. So any changes that I make right here to this design will be copied over to this because these are identical. To preview this content before publishing, you can go right here into the channel editor and hit the preview button. Once you're satisfied with your channel, the last thing that you'll want to do to be able to get this to display on your screen is go up to the Publish and Update box, and you're going to want to select Publish Selected Channels and Force Update. You will see changes taking place on your screen within about 5 to 10 minutes, depending upon the size of video content that has been uploaded. Now let's take a look at the Wisconsin workforce design. As you can see here, just like the other designs, this has a 2-zone design layout. So we know how to add assets to the main zone above. Let's look at the bottom zone. When you click on the bottom zone, you will see that a weather template appears, and this is the only asset that is currently in this bottom zone. So now you have, as you can see over here to the right, that this weather template has been renamed to Oak Creek. If you scroll down here, you can see that there is no duration set on this weather template. So that means that this weather template will stay on screen 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If you scroll down, you can change the information on this template simply by entering in information into the fields down below. If you are ever to lose internet connectivity, this error message will display on your screen. It's generally recommended that a custom message is entered into this error message area so clients are aware that internet connectivity has gone down, but your customers will not be aware. You also have the ability to go down and change the background style, whether or not you want to show temperature or a custom background color. You can change your custom background color by using hex codes. You can change your theme color as well. Once you are satisfied with these changes, just like in the first part of this tutorial, simply go down to the design. Again, we are in the Workforce Wisconsin design here. Go here to the Wisconsin channel, preview your content, make sure everything looks good, and then simply publish out to your screen.